Welcome to The Explainer. Navigating complaints with genuine ethics and compassion, it's a total balancing act.
So, how do we keep that genuine smile going without completely sacrificing our business boundaries?
Well, it starts with the AHCA Code of Ethics. They actually frame cleaning as a vital civil service, meaning we've got an ethical duty here to nurture both our client relationships and the entire trade. Plus, true ethical practice means fiercely protecting the mental and physical health of your awesome staff.
But hey, let's be real. Even with sky-high standards, customer complaints are just gonna happen.
Airbnb cleaning experts suggest this compassionate fix. Show genuine concern, apologize, and then just listen and fix it.
The real trick? Just put yourself right in their shoes and respond with total, genuine empathy. But watch out for the pushover trap. Never tolerate unacceptable behavior just to avoid a little conflict.
You know, we all face difficult clients who love to test those compassionate boundaries every single day. Got a discount seeker? The ethical move is clearly communicating your value, not slashing your prices. When they demand free extras, protect yourself. Strictly enforce those written add-on pricing agreements. And for the constant complainer, ask for highly specific feedback to tackle their legitimate concerns head-on.
If someone is just outright rude, stand firm like a brick wall. Enforce those mutual respect policies.
Caving to bad behavior undermines your leadership. Worse, it breeds some serious toxic resentment among your team. Let's reframe this. Your strict business policies are actually a kind of future use love language. See, giving absolute clarity to your clients isn't being mean. It's actually a profound act of kindness. These written policies ethically protect the client, your employees, and you from totally unnecessary draining conflicts. Which leaves us with this big question. Are your policies loving your business enough?